Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this PD Pioneer. This is a 65 3-port wall charger. So let's show you guys what you get inside the box. Oh man, that is heavy duty. It feels like a miniature brick. So they give you a manual inside here, but it's very simple. It's a flip out plug. So this plugs into your wall outlet, and then you can charge two different devices with a Type-C cable or a USB. So for example, if we want to charge our soap dispenser over here, we would just plug our USB end right in there and then plug this into a wall outlet, and it charges up our device or soap dispenser or whatever you have plugged in, and it's quick charge. So I actually personally use this brand. I've been using them for a long time, so that's why I wanted to review this one as well. I actually have, let's see, where is it at? It must be up in our office. But I have one that has just a single Type-C and a USB. So I got this because I use a lot of Type-Cs for our GoPros. So I needed two Type-C ports and then the USB port. So the USB port's gonna be for my cell phone. The two Type-C are gonna be for my GoPros, Hero 10 and 9. So I love this brand. They, everything works how it's supposed to. It's a good brand.